I'm Niki Seberini, the Mind Freedom Fighter. 5 years ago, I stumbled across mindfulness, and it was quite by chance because I was on a journey of trying to get unstuck. So I was desperately looking for a way to manage this endless flow of negative, stressful, depressing thoughts that was circulating around my mind. And so I decided to embark on a 5-minute mindfulness meditation every day. There was a lot of research, and there is a lot of research behind the incredible benefits of this practice. Well, within 3 months, I started to reap the rewards, and so I started to increase my time spent meditating and started to integrate mindfulness more and more into my everyday life. The result? Well, I can manage my emotions much better. I'm far less reactive. My ability to empathize with others is greater. Also, my ability to do a perspective shift, concentrate, learn, focus, sleep better, improve health. The results are all there. And I use it today in all of my practices and in all of my training and my workshops because it really is the foundation for everything. So if you're curious about mindfulness, if it's something you'd like to do, or perhaps you're practicing mindfulness and you'd like to find out more, why don't you come along to the Mindfulness Workshop? It's happening on Saturday, the 22nd of June from 9 to 1 at Synergy Holistics. It's a 4-hour immersive workshop. You're going to go within and you're going to connect or reconnect with the essence of who you are. I'm going to be telling you all about mindfulness, how it works, the benefits. But more importantly, we're going to focus on 5 particular meditations and the benefits of those meditations throughout the morning so that when you walk away, you'll be able to carry on with this life-changing practice. I hope you're going to join us Saturday, the 22nd of June. Just click on this link and you can book your tickets. I look forward to seeing you there.